As you can see, I already have a tons of coins on my Pocket FM account. In this tutorial, I will show you a working method how I made unlimited coins in Pocket FM application. Under few minutes, the method is safe, and it works on both platform, Android, and iOS too, so no need to worry about this. So the first thing you need to do, make sure you already installed the latest version of Pocket FM application from the Google Play Store or App Store if you have an iOS device. Then, if it's done, you can move to the next step. Open your mobile browser and type this website. Alright, now we are in the website main page. To start the process, type your Pocket FM username and select which device are you using, Android or iOS. Then select how much coins do you want and simply just tap the Generate button. The last step is the most important. Make sure you already disabled your VPN or proxy on your mobile device if you are using it. Then click the Verify Now button and choose two offers below from the list. Some applications needs to complete levels or collect resources. Pick two from the list, install it, and you will got your Pocket FM coins almost instantly to your account and can watch any movie on Pocket FM.